Ebusiafo yaje title if oye kowu yazaba oye Gomoa. Yes.
Gomoa. 1, 2, 3. From the ghetto, C9, cemetery. No sense, punchlines, or voice in yacht.
Na inyimya ye bima menhwe za wa rekoto no so bore calabasha wanyene nya arguments kwame asayopin A+ zoke there obeyen wetumaye. Yes, na Gomoa mana na was starting when the event no koye papa chede mama na ekunfi safa ohina deep grade bo premu wo ho na hwe na feza na deep grade ase na deep grade ne nyama bi oye ho de trade wo bebia oye gwai ma hen sabare ma kwesi atoso beginem oye central region minister so was on time pray yenhune ase or representative wo that this event saw beautiful performances from Obapa Christie. Yes, PSC Esther Bejinim, or your live band in Hen Samini, Bobon Chansimo, Piara Bonisman. Nay, na nature, no Kwabda her life, a J or Shadow Togas of Basawa Kaba. The break Kadi Dada by Boba Bread of Coffee that is that. And that cheddar by Kedi you. Coffee to the Kedata or be perform. Gomoa bata ina promise that we bow wamba with echi. Yes, dina de chiro. Yes, show we Gomoa de ja oye patapara kwa okese. That be they were there. Yes, in the numbers. So true for where you watch Gomoa for that was celebrating. The beautiful artist bit today, Charlie good degree. Hey, Tidy, Prebo, or Debio, Bush molested, or bid the famo.
I don't know. What are you going to say?
Famo, Sakodi ever perform or treat them or yes, shatter to the wallet this first. Hey, shatter, Begina stage, you with the pabata. Kwame Eugene Sebe kotombire Begina mu bunimu wa stage mama football nsema mama. Nana Mama Brown, yo. Nana Mama Brown. Mami na energy. O Begina mi ye mo ye fel dodo. Overall, this was a beautiful event. I say, you'll be a central region. You'll be very proud of it. Nei in Awama Central Region constituency biara mani MP pressure day. I say, next year was A+ ye. Anye bienwa betcha so tar betito.
I'm so proud to be a part of the Maiden Gomoa Easter Festival. Sisi ayakase. Gomoa Easter Festival no shall say one by ya somebody by.
But Asaba Africa will show that say the sister few. There's a bunch of people are prepared for Wabawa, Iye Gomoa be or Chinabi, now what's the end of London party. Yes, sir, ya best sexual cases be or Mary cases a MP. Name events organized that or parliaments I will bet true because A+ set a standard that high. For the first time, a lot of people left Kowu to Gomoa just because knowing the points of attraction were Ghana. Yes, I'm being real. The fact that A+ never share Gomoa for not started or reason. A lot of people found their way to the central region of Ghana. Yes, now this event was an eyesore. Jumeza was when it fell. A lot of things went on. 1 hour per girls when you 1 hour per boys when you be 1 hour tonaze. And I can tell you, this has boosted the Oye Gomoa economy very well. Hotels I say no why you move. Chobas ways banner saying drinking spots today and sending away refill because what's the payana wasa. And for this reason, we should see entertainment as one of the economical tool we can use as members of parliament. Yeah. Let's get to the grounds now when you're busy. For now, Zamaka the MP BRN get busy. Anya Dama, women person. What's A plus? But what beer? But A plus. As some can't get for in there, start here, Ghana musicians, now you want start you. The CC across the capital for Nigeria. Brother, when you want your journal cry. Let me know your experience at Gomoa Easter Carnival and getting a few share. What are your highlights and what are your lowlights? May A plus selection of correcting mistakes. But in all, you rate event 99% because 1% no account the A plus one from uncle when you invite Kede all black.
Yeah, fama this way, men fama brava and to chacho. Oh, in the S, I want to know.
All be lie.
The matter chop hot.
Assembly Diloto. Hey!
Aye.